Hey guys, welcome to my channel. On my today's video I'm going to do a festive season makeup look. As we all know, the Durga puja and our Dashain is on the floor, so I'm going to do a very simple elegant makeup look for this Dashain. So without further ado, let's get into our video. Before starting the video, please do subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon to notify my future update. Makeup look, I'm using this Lakme Perfecting foundation, liquid foundation for the foundation base. Now I'm going to blend this foundation with the damp beauty blender. To set my foundation, I'm using this damp beauty blender and a loose powder. To fill my eyebrows, I'm using this powder. This eyebrow powder. Now my eyebrows are ready. For the eye makeup, I'm using this color as my transition shade. This is a matte eyeshadow palette. Now my transition shade is done. Now I'm going to use this color, little dark color. Now I'm going to use this color on my eyelid. Black and silver kind of color, so I'm using this dark color, this same brow powder on my outer corner. I'm not going heavy on black, just I'm going to apply a little bit. Now I'm going with a shimmery color. To deposit a shimmery color, I'm using this type of brush. For my inner corners, I'm going to use this color. This is the color. This is the color. Now I'm going to blend this to eliminate any harsh line. Now I'm going to apply gel eyeliner. For inner corners, I'm going to use this shade. Again, I'm going to use this on my raw horn. For a bronzer, I'm using this Anastasia palette. I'm just going to little bit bronzing my skin. Now I'm going to use this color as a blush on. This is a star blush. I'm going to use this shade, a star blush shade, as a blush on. A highlighter, I'm using this cross pearl shade as a highlighter. I'm using a finger to highlight my face. I'm not using that much color on my face, so I'm going to use a dark color lipstick. To finish my makeup. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, then please give me some thumbs up, do subscribe to my channel, and also hit the bell icon to notify my future update. We'll see you next time. Bye bye.